had some work here. I was here by around 3 p.m. and when I came to park my car, the board was not immediately visible to me. So I asked the parking attendant. He told me first 50 rupees. I was shocked. I said 50 rupees for parking. He refused to tell me what is the minimum rate. I kept asking him. Then I happened to come and see the board. When I saw the board, I saw on the top it says 50 rupees for 4-wheeler. And then the second last line, it says 25 rupees. When I showed him that, he started to tell me, it is half rate if you want from. I said, why are you giving me the maximum rate first? As a consumer and under the Consumer Protection Act of 2019, I am supposed to be informed. I have a right to information. So after that, he issued me this ticket for 4-wheelers, parking fee rupees 25. And he had not even put the time on it. I asked him to put the time for me. Then he put the time on it. There's no vehicle numbers showing. Also, over here it says valid up to 5 hours. There is a discrepancy between the ticket and the board. The board is saying 4 hours for 25 rupees. He's saying this is to your benefit, it is okay, good. But I am saying, why is there a difference between 5 hours here and 4 hours there? There should be, and the information should be clear, and it should be the same as per the ticket, as per the board.
Which vehicle is there with you?
It is a 4-wheeler.
4-wheeler?
A car, yes.
Okay.
Hence I took a ticket of 25 rupees for 4 hours.
So now how much you paid?
I paid 25 rupees upon insisting. But he did not disclose that information to me in the beginning. I heard that even from my colleague, he was saying he was giving him a ticket of 50 and he was cutting the price.
Okay.
Just today it happened. And then I told my colleague, I said, please go back. I showed him my ticket. I said, please take a ticket like this, which says 4-wheeler parking for 25 rupees. He should not cut and give you.
तो बेगनर गाड़ी है, वो पूछे क्या, मैं पार्किंग कितना है, मैं बोला 25 रुपीज़, हाफ चार्ज, ऐसा मैं बोला।
और वो ऐसा बोला?
हाँ, हाफ चार्ज कौन? हाँ?
वो झूठ बोल रही है?
नहीं, उसके सामने ही पूछा मैं हाफ चार्ज 25 रुपीज़ बोला ही।
वो बोली मरे?
हाँ, वो भी दिए, पैसा भी दिए।
तो वो बोल रही है ना, बात कर रही है ना यहाँ पे? कौन?
यही, हाँ, इनको ही तो मैं दिया। और इनको बोल रहे ना, 25 ही बोला था। बच्चा 25 ही बोला था। आप वीडियो में भी देखो, अगर है तो वीडियो में भी देखो, मैं 25 ही बोला था।
50 बोल रही है?
नहीं, 25 ही बोला था। बोर्ड के सामने पहला वो बोर्ड पूरा परी है। बाद में मेरे को बोले कितना चार्जेस है, मैं बोला आप कितना टाइम 25 रुपीज़ है पार्किंग आपका। मैं बोला है उनको पूछो, पहला ही वो गाड़ी में ही थे, अभी 3-4 लोग था। बोले हैं मैं 50 बोला ही नहीं।